Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you the Walking Dead supply drop box. Now, this is one of my favorite boxes. It is seasonal. I don't know how much it costs. It'll be on the screen, but let's get into this. The box is huge this month. I mean, usually it's pretty big, but this is like unmanageably big. So you do get a thing that tells you everything that's in the box, but it doesn't have any prices because everything that is in this box is exclusive to this box. So we'll keep this over here just in case I need to reference it for any reason. The first thing I am pulling out is Walker Wonderland Snow Globe. That is cool. Let's open it. This box is really super unmanageably large. I love it. That is great. The zombie is in the snow. Okay, that's cute. All right. The next thing we need to organize. It's huge. It's so huge. The next thing I am pulling out is a greeting card set, a pack of 4 unique designs, includes cards and envelopes. So that is what that looks like, and let's take a peek. Late for us to be getting these. Again, we really don't do Christmas, but like this is something if I wanted to use, I would use next year. And what I would probably do is like put them in the boxes of a current giveaway or something. I can't get this open. Oh, that's because it's taped. So there is this one. It says, "Wish you were here." There is this one. That's cool. It just says happy birthday, which is okay. Weird, but okay. There's that one. That's a pretty good one. And it just has a bloody fingerprint on the inside, or fingerprints on the inside. And then this one, and it doesn't have anything on the inside. So that's cool. I guess they could just really be used for anything pretty much then. So that's cool because I do like to stick, I don't know, either cards or my stickers or my business cards in boxes of everybody that wins stuff. So that's cool. The next thing I am pulling out is a blanket. And this has a photo of Daryl and dog. I don't want to rip that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I did save the picture. I will probably cut that out because it's actually like pretty sticky right there on the back, but I will probably cut that out like that because it's actually a really good picture. Okay, so this is, ooh, let's put the scissors back so I don't stab myself. Okay, so this blanket looks like it has dog on it. That's cute. And it has Daryl's wings, and then it has a dog everywhere. But Daryl is not actually on here anywhere that I can see. There are some skulls and stuff like that, but ooh, it's really soft too. The next thing I am pulling out is, ooh, Alpha Unmasked. So I am not going to take this out of the packaging. I don't know if my son actually keeps the boxes or not for those, but that's cool. That's super cool. And then let's see. What is this? Oh my goodness. So this is the last thing in the box. So whatever it is, it looks like this. Let's see, how does it open? Oh, that's cool. So this is, it's a dish that it says, and you'll get cookies, lots of cookies, Carol. And I don't know if you noticed, but these are brass knuckles over here. So that is, oh, I love that. And it's like, it's real, it's not plastic. So that is cool. And the box is pretty cute too, as far as for keeping it for storage. But it has Carol baking cookies. So that's cool, that's cute. All right, you guys, that was the Walking Dead supply drop box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and have a great day. Bye.